Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and a new project. Renault Traffic 2016. Believe it's got massive engine failure. Well, it doesn't by the way it knocked yesterday when we started it up. Loads of oil over the engine. We're going to jump straight into it and find out what's going on with it. Right mate, if you give it a crank over, let's have a listen. Just be prepared mate to turn it straight off. Make sure it's a new, you have to put on the clutch. Yep. Battery. Oh mate. That is massive failure. Let's see if we can pick that up. That. Listen to this. Come on, feel hand again. Yeah. Right, mate. I reckon we go straight into that. Let's find out why we got all this oil. Start over the fan, everything. That does not sound good. Let's go straight in, mate. Should we get this off? Judging by how it sounds, I think it's dead, to be honest. But until we get all this off, mate, we're not going to know, are we? Shut up, go away. Right, I bought us two mics to do this. She was laughing yesterday because she was saying you're not even a YouTube star. What are you doing? Honestly, it made me feel like that small yesterday. Really embarrassed me. Embarrass yourself. Right, I'm off this side. So what's holding it that side? Oh no, it's here, the box at the bottom still. There's another one there. Let's pull this side.
Oh, there's a little look side.
Oh, I got buried. Did you undo that one there, did you? That support bracket there? Oh, no, no, on your side?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I've got a little torque bit there to get that aircon pipe off.
You may as well just left that on.
No, it's all going to come off, isn't it? So it's got to come out of the way, mate. Yeah. Let's get that pack off. I'll get that intercooler pipe off. They're the aircon pipe bolts. So there's a 10mm there to come off. That's already snapped, look. I think this thing's had a bit of a whack in the past. Doesn't it?
Looks like it.
The same amount of work done, isn't it? What more can you expect?
And then you got the 13 that's on the gun.
I get a pick, pop off these intercooler pipes, get the clips off. Whether we take it off of there, I'll tell you what, we'll take it off the throttle body,
Yeah.
and just take the whole thing with it. So if we pop that off, you get the water pump pliers, but knock that off. Oh yeah, come here.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Come here. Hey, mate. Oh, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Go on, inside. Inside, go. Come on. There you go. Right, is that all free now? Yep. There we go. Right. Now we can see more than how damaged it already is. I'll put on the jump pack, mate. I will do it, Theo. I'll just double check the oil. I had oil in it yesterday, so I'll just double check it again, mate. Bear with me, mate. Yeah, she's making all, mate. Send her off. Yeah. Mate, that is catastrophic. That's bottom end. That is bottom end, mate. That's done. That is done. Wow. Well, I think then, new engine. Not even worth trying to mess around with it. That sounds, yeah, that's well gone. Will it start at all?
Give it a go.
I'll just send it, mate. It's dead, mate, isn't it? It ain't gonna do any more damage. Yeah, go on, send it. What just instantly dies? Just send that again? Yeah. Oh, mate. Yeah, I was right. It's got a hole in it. Yeah, it's got a hole behind the starter motor. Look behind there. Look on the starter motor. It's got a gaping hole in it.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Oh, where's the metal fragments gone? There's no indication of anything. Let's see if we can show them. The cause of the knocking noise. Hello, comrade. Yeah, I think that's going to be a bit of a problem. We're going to have to fix that one, are we, Theo? Punctured a hole straight through the block. Oh, no engine it is. What do you reckon then, mate? We'll have to change it, haven't we?
So?
The engine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's knackered. It's dead. I'll leave that in there so we know where it is. Right, you got all that off, mate? Sorry. Yeah, get that battery tray off, mate, and then I'll probably pop the tensioner down. Get this belt out of the way now. That's the tensioner. There. Yeah, it's got the module and a relay on it, isn't it? Right, mate, I'll carry on with this. Battery tray's out. I reckon we'll start getting the wiring in unplugged. Start getting everything out of the way. Get everything moved out. Get all the loom out of the way. Get all this off. Start getting everything out of the way. Start clearing ourselves some space. One down the back there. Find it in a minute. That's that off. Get in there. Get in there. Just need some side cutters to cut off them cable ties.
Yeah.
Why do they use these horrible clips? Right. Get that loom off there, look. So I reckon if we cut that there, you just start cutting these cable ties off here. Start loosening this all up, mate.
As well, yeah.
Is Dean going for Mum's birthday meal today?
Yeah.
Is he bringing his boy?
No.
Oh, what, has it gone to tap again?
No, it's come on.
Dead again, isn't it?
The lights, one of the lights will stop working.
Which one?
Is it a side light or? Is it side light?
Ooh.
One side works, one side doesn't.
He just needs to look after it a bit more, doesn't he?
It's not the bulb. I told him he needs to get rid of it. His car's got so many electrical issues.
Yeah, once it starts, it ain't going to stop now, is it?
Yeah, exactly.
It's not being funny, it's done its job. How long now has he had it?
2, 3 years?
Gotta be, innit?
Something like that. It's done its job, considering the fact he doesn't look after it. You gonna take that whole box out with it?
Was it a fuse box?
Yeah.
Nah, leave that in there, mate. So
Yeah,
there's a
this-
cable
this
tie
one
on
is
there.
something.
There's a cable tie there, look, mate. Needs cutting off, please, dude.